Okay, we're going to look into the bubble sort pseudocode. All right, we're going to look into that and we want to understand how it actually works. Now, first of all, the concept of bubble sort is to compare two adjacent items, which is next to each other. And if they are not in the correct order, right, we sort them. Right. So the idea here is to get the largest value if we are sorting in the ascending order to the end of the list, right? One at a time. You will see this inside your textbook, right? But sometimes students complain that it's too much to handle. So we'll break it down first. So the idea here is you have a list, all right, from 1 to 10. Okay. So let's say they are stored in a temperature array, what which is a list, what and the index is 1 to 10. What we create the variable first. So the starting and the ending. Right. So first until the 10. Okay, that's the first step. We will need a loop. Right. So we are using the repeat loop. There is a swap which is set to false. Okay, so we always assume at the beginning no swapping will be occurred. Alright. And we use this to check if anything is actually swapped. Right? Swap means exchange place. Now, what happens if there is no swap? If there is no swap means the list is already sorted. That means I can end it already. I can stop it already. We have another for loop, right, inside that is to go through the list, compare pair by pair of items. But I only go through until the last subtract one. Okay, the reason for this is because if I am sorting 10 items, I only need to sort 9. Why? Because by the time I sort the first 9 items, the last item will automatically be sorted in the correct order. Now, so once I go in and compare each pair of item, right, which is the current item index and the next item which is index plus one, right? If it is not in the correct order, right? If it's not in the correct order. So since I'm sorting in ascending, so if the front what index is larger than the index plus one, which is next one, I need to swap them. So the next three line is the swapping process. Okay. And since a swap occur, I set a true to the false to tell me that the swap has occurred. Right. Then go through the next item in the list by using the next index. Every time I do this, one of the largest item is already in the correct place. So I can reduce the range. So reduce the last, make the list a little bit shorter. The control of the loop, if there is nothing to swap anymore because everything is sorted, I can stop it. Or basically, I have actually moved until everything is sorted already, which is the last equal 1. All right, because when you have only one item left, it is automatically sorted. So that is what this whole pseudocode inside your textbook actually try to explain. Right. So as a summary, every pair, right, that is side by side will be compared. If it is in the wrong order, swap it. Right? And we have to do this until the entire list is sorted. Right? And every pass which is controlled by the outer loop, the largest unsorted item is at the correct position at the end.